In today's episode of 7 Cases, we dive into thrilling luxury car chases, where karma delivers its own brand of justice. Watch as a woman speeds away at 135 miles per hour and faces the consequences. Get ready for an exciting and action-packed show. A police officer on a motorcycle initiated a pursuit of the driver of a luxury vehicle who had previously exceeded the speed limit. Although the driver initially refused to pull over despite the officer's efforts, he eventually came to a stop later on. On August 3rd, 2021, the motorcyclist attempted to bypass traffic by using the breakdown lane to advance. However, he faced the consequences when a vigilant police officer enforcing traffic regulations stopped him. On September 1st, 2021, the driver, unable to wait for the vehicle ahead to clear the way, overtook it while exceeding the speed limit. Consequently, the police officer promptly stopped him. Upon observing the driver speeding, the police officer immediately initiated a pursuit and successfully stopped him. On July 4th, 2022, the driver accelerated in a zone with a 35 miles per hour speed limit, failing to notice the police vehicle behind him. This oversight resulted in significant consequences.
Yep. You got him.
On May 19th, 2022, the vehicle in front of the police car changed lanes without signaling and nearly collided with a red car beside it. Fortunately, the police car intervened and pulled the driver over. September 5th, 2024, a trooper received a report from Walmart regarding an incident in the parking lot. Upon arriving at the scene, the officer observed a suspect in a black SUV leaving the parking lot and promptly initiated a pursuit. The driver of the SUV halted at a traffic light, but upon seeing the police officer approaching, he quickly fled the scene.
Pull over. Come on. Come on. No. She keeps waving her hand. We're going 35, turning down Walmart access road.
Initially, the suspect refused to pull over, but when he realized he could not escape and found himself in a parking lot with no exit, he eventually stopped. Upon halting, he exited the vehicle, and it was revealed that a woman had been driving.
Down Walmart access.
All units, traffic.
We're going through the parking lot. She's having some kind of breakdown here. We're still moving.
When the suspect stopped, the officer instructed her to exit the vehicle and surrender.
Get out of the car! That was freaking stupid. Get out! Get out of the car! Stop grabbing for stuff. Get on the ground. Yes, face away from me and get on the ground. Back up. If you get back in that car, I swear to you, face away from me and back up. Face away from me and back up. Keep backing up, keep backing up. Stop right there. Get on your hands and knees. Get on your hands and knees. I said hands and knees. Is anyone else in that car?
No.
I got her stuck. Well, what you doing? Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Corey,
Are you stupid?
no, I'm not fighting, sir. I was
You're not
wrong.
listening.
After the suspect surrendered, the officer promptly approached her, handcuffed her, and then placed her in the patrol car.
I can see that. Get up. Anyone else in there?
No, sir.
Come back here with me. Don't do anything stupid. Hey,
He's going to be in the Walmart.
I didn't call her
parking
stupid
lot.
though.
No, they cleared it.
They cleared it. I
Damn.
don't know what she was. She said she was going to Warren. She didn't make contact here, did she? No.
I only swerved some, dude. Goddamn. You done goddamn sucker!
I just said 215. Pulling it, told him.
Hard, huh? You got those.
They won't tell the PD because I hear them coming.
Yeah, PD's coming to it here.
Yeah. She said she just hollered at him. I was like, well, literally.
You got F.
After she was taken into custody, the police officers commenced a search of her vehicle.
Where'd you light her up at?
278 West. This is the reckless driver call. No tags in the vehicle. That's when I lit her up. And
My baby goddamn friends, you fuck hard!
Yeah. She's freaking out, baby.
You don't know her name or anything?
I asked her. She told me. I didn't see her.
16 goddamn years! Brain dead stars!
On August 18th, 2024, a trooper observed a silver Lexus traveling at a high rate of speed eastbound on Interstate 40. Using his front-facing radar, he recorded the vehicle's speed at 116 miles per hour in a 75 miles per hour zone. The trooper activated his emergency lights and siren and pursued the reckless driver.
I'm not holding yet, sir.
I'll call him. Just check out for that.
Good morning, sir.
Cars, we're approaching the 64 eastbound, speeds are 120, traffic medium.
In an effort to catch the reckless driver, the trooper reached speeds of 134 miles per hour during the pursuit.
Maybe get some fractures now. Where you at? 78 eastbound or westbound. You want to set up here at 78? Yeah, check for what's up, 78. Yeah, 26 cars. We're approaching at 67 on the bed.
The trooper observed the reckless driver aggressively swerve to the right toward the exit 67 ramp, then abruptly veer to the left. Consequently, the driver lost control of the vehicle, which veered into the grassy median. The vehicle then overturned approximately 15 times before striking the cable barriers in the median and crossing into the westbound lanes.
Hey, can you hear me? Can you get that door open, Elvin? Hey, I don't see. Did he get ejected? I lost my radio.
The trooper attempted to locate the driver by crawling underneath the overturned vehicle, but was unsuccessful. Trooper fails and Officer Haynes then arrived on the scene and began searching for the driver.
Check, make sure he's not in the back. We got beer cans.
The trooper located the driver, later identified as Kendall Jouett, approximately 30 yards east of the overturned vehicle. The trooper attempted to communicate with Jouett, but he remained unresponsive. Jouett had sustained severe leg injuries from being ejected from the vehicle.
Can you hear me? Keep breathing, man. 26.
On the next 11, he's off the roadway. It's upside down.
First responders and EMS arrived on the scene and requested a helicopter for transport. Aerovac transported Kendall Jouett to Washington Regional Medical Center in Fayetteville, Arkansas. He is currently in stable condition and receiving care.
Hey, I'm gonna move my unit that way they can turn. Hey, brother, hey, can you hear me? Come on, hey, you're all right. We got help coming, okay? Anybody else in the vehicle? I couldn't find anybody else. It took us a minute to find him. Hey, won't they come up here?
Jeff? Yeah, see if anybody else is there.
In the vehicle, troopers discovered 39 grams of marijuana, 1 THC pod, 1 grinder, and 1 smoking device.
You a kid? Do what? You a kid? No? No. We just gotta wait for the ambulance. Hey, y'all come over here real quick. I'm gonna try to get my car out of the median.
Suspect Kendall Jouett faces the following charges: felony fleeing, leaving the scene of an accident, reckless driving, driving with a suspended license, improper passing on the left, improper passing on the right, improper lane usage, speeding over 15 miles per hour above the limit, possession of drug paraphernalia, possession of a controlled substance.
10-1 burglary.